Oh, look at. Ah. That fucking hurts. Hello everyone, this is Golden Fish Eye Canada, and today we are in destination number 3. Finally, the destination 3. So in this area, I found this one on Google Maps, and it's a beautiful fishing spot. And we're gonna see what kind of species we have in this part of the river. So you wanna see more about this video and how we fish this? Let's go fishing right now. Oh, you got fish. Hoppa. Oh, yeah, I got a small one. This one is a cheap head. This one's a good size. Sorry, I just got excited. Ah, that was you. So, well, I gotta show you right in the camera. Wow, look at that. This is a cute. There's a cute cheap head. So I eat the other one, but I didn't make the video. So I'm gonna try this one on those smoking wood for the barbecue. So this one is a good size, and let's try it. We're gonna try different points. Now it's not that hot. That means any start to see a little bit cloud, so you can see the skies. So soon probably will be raining, but I'm gonna take advantage of every time to catch a fish. Still destination 3. I just changed location. This is the next day. Yesterday was extremely hot. I didn't was sweating. I was melting because it was so much humidity. But I came back to destination 3. I just on the other side of the river because we have the river and the canal. Now I'm trying this side because I'm targeting perch. Let's see. I was trying to get my fishing rod and I lose my balance and I hurt my shoulder, especially my right shoulder, because I have an injury at the beginning of this year and it's been on, and believe me, ouch. That fucking hurts. That really hurt. It was very painful, but I recovered fast. And this area where I was fishing is a very high traffic for big boats. You can see this one when it's passing by and creating those waves. A few minutes after, I catch my first fish. I think I caught something. Yeah. Oh, hope so it's not goby. Uh-oh. Yeah. Ah. Little bass. Look at this. Little bass. Well, at least it's something. Because I have what? A couple hours already fishing. Well, yesterday I caught a two cheap head and a catfish, and today a small little bass. So let's get fishing. And I really love
going anywhere in my bicycle because I can have access literally to anywhere. And I show you a little bit of the Niagara Falls, and this is my goal, to be visiting nice areas in Niagara region so you can enjoy this video. And this day is turning very exciting for fishing because I'm catching fish. But at this time, you will see what's happened. That was a very rookie move, and I was really disappointed in that moment for myself. It feels so bad when something like this happen. Keep tuned and just take a look what's gonna happen.
Oh, look at it. Was a second bass going. Oh, I thought it was two. But it was a second bass, bigger than this one, chasing the other hook. So for a second I thought it was a double hit, but it didn't happen. But I'm so glad I was able to see that. This bad I don't have my chest camera so you could see that, but this is another bass. Yeah.
Now I'm trying to get my line to keep the fish alive and the water, but I was so excited that I forget something very important, which is gonna be the next. Yes, no! You can hear that pain right from the bottom of my heart and my soul. And that's what I said. That was the disappointment moment. And I felt it so bad.
I forgot to tie the bottom. He's just like, he's just right there.
Now I just so concentrate and the pain I'm feeling in the inside of me. When I turned, I saw the fishing looking at me. I took a piece of worm and I threw it to him. He took it. In that moment, I thought, oh my, I just lost the opportunity to catch that fish again. And guess what? The fish came back again. Unbelievable. He was swimming right in front of me, just staring at me, like waiting for another worm. So, and I just decided, just wait a minute, I'm gonna fix you up. And now, let's try this again. The fish right in front of me. And I just waiting for the big moment. Yes! The victory is mine.
That's okay. I got him again. Oh no, this is a bigger one. This is the other one who was chasing what I lost. Oh my. Redemption. Now I won't make the same mistake. I'm gonna make sure.
And for sure, I didn't make that rookie mistake again. The second one, I bring multiple fish and I lost the other ones, but this one, and I was fixing one and I just discovered it was eating crayfish, and that's how I reuse the crayfish from the other one which was in the stomach, and right away, not even 5 minutes, I catch this one. Ooh, I'm so happy. Now because I know now because I know what's gonna happen. So this time I will make the same mistake. He was just on the short when he was chasing the other hook, and he stayed there. After I lost the two first ones, I won't go anywhere because I have it right here. So he stayed there. He stays, and I throw a worm because I saw him and said, okay, well, you're free, because I was thinking it was the first one. He took the worm and he swam in, and after that I went back to my worms on the hook, and I saw him again, like waiting for another worm. So I threw it and he went on then. So I'm so happy. I'm just so excited. Oh, gotcha. Yes. Another bass. Woo. That's it. Ooh. Fucking man.
OMG! Again?
Ay. I got too confident. But this is fun. I'm not mad. It's just it's just funny. Ay. Well, I'm gonna show you the way I hook the worm. So I kettle it there and I leave it straight like this, so I have the motion. So let's try this again.
And this day is being full of emotion, catching and losing fish. But I took a couple fish at home which I cooked, and I did a video how to cook that on the wood planks. But if you got until here, if you like this video, please subscribe, give us a like, leave your comment, and as well share with friends and family so we can achieve more people. And you know what? Remember something, a warrior never backs down, my friend. And keep the good fishing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.